Storm Team 29 forecast.
Well, good Tuesday evening. There is the view across our street here on East Market. You can look over toward the Charlottesville Police Department and City Hall. You can see the wind blowing. You can see the skies are brightening, and that's been the case here. It's been a late recovery after those showers and thunderstorms from this morning. Here's the view from the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport, currently checking in at 84 degrees. That's also the high temperature so far for the day. Dew points are quite high, generally in the upper 60s to around 70 in many spots. 76 with some broken cloud cover in the Shenandoah Valley, and you can see other numbers across the region. 81 in Madison, 85 in Orange, 77 in Palmyra, 81 there in Livingston, and 75 currently in Waynesboro. Quiet scan of NBC29's Doppler radar. That was not the case throughout the morning hours, as basically we were dealing with a weakening complex of showers and thunderstorms that moved out of the Ohio Valley. That's just a 12-hour review. A lot of lightning with these storms, and they did pack a tremendous punch across portions of the upper Midwest from Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan through Indiana and back into Ohio and West Virginia. It will be classified for those locations as a derecho, which is a long-lived complex thunderstorm complex producing wind damage of at least 65 miles per hour or greater, and goes over a span of at least 240 miles. But again, the energy from this system caused all kinds of issues. Look at some of the wind damage reports through the Ohio Valley from yesterday through this morning into the mid-Atlantic, but certainly more concentrated out to our west. Temperatures tonight with partial clearing, upper 60s to around 70. There will be some fog to develop. Tomorrow, we're back to the heat. The humidity will remain with us, but upper 80s to low 90s. The chance of a shower thunderstorms a little less tomorrow, and that would mainly be during the afternoon. Still, an isolated severe storm will be possible, damaging wind threat, some hail. But as we get into Thursday, we may have an uptick in coverage, but we'll remain in the 90s here to finish out the week along with those storm chances. So again, these complexes of showers and thunderstorms are riding around a big ridge in the atmosphere that's out to our west, and there's some more activity that's worked all the way into portions of Alabama and the Florida Panhandle this afternoon. Big heat out across the midsection of the country, and it's around this ridge or a boundary sets up that you get these thunderstorm complexes, and that's what happened here, what we saw last night. Look at some of the heat out west. So again, that ridge will still be in place here the next several days, but it'll start to break down as we go closer to the weekend. But in the meantime, we have to watch some of these storm complexes. So temperatures in the morning will start generally in the upper 60s to low 70s. A little bit of fog to start the day, partly sunny skies, maybe an isolated storm or two, upper 80s, low 90s. And then as we get into Thursday, we'll have to watch a potential complex and where that sets up. But we could have some stronger or severe storms in here on Thursday, and then a cold front will come through on Friday, and behind that, we'll see conditions improve for the weekend along with cooler, drier air. Upper 60s, low 70s tonight, some areas of fog to develop. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Hot and humid conditions with more storm chances through the mid and late week. And then the Father's Day weekend looking nice, a drop in the humidity, and temperatures a lot cooler than those 90s we'll be dealing with the next several days.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much, Eric.